Hi, this is Bharat. I'm working at ATSS as a product engineer. ATSS, Active Product Safety System, is a premium manufacturer of Burglar in the brand registered name of ATSS at Chennai in India. The firm obviously starts its operations on May 2003. Now I'm going to explain what is the burglar alarm. Burglar alarm is a system designed to detect intrusion or unauthorized entry into the building or an area. This system is mainly used in residential, commercial and industrial areas to prevent damages and provide peace of mind. This is a basic model of burglar alarm Active 108. It has 5 types of indication: power LED, system on, battery low, zone 1, zone 2. It is the key based basic model of burglar alarm. And it has 2 modes. One is day mode, another one is night mode. At first, the power will be in on state. Let me see the mode selection. First, we have to change in day mode. Place the switch into day mode, and then we have to switch on the product with the help of key. You can see over here, the power on LED will on. Meanwhile, the system LED on. If the battery level is low, the related LED will be glow. Zone 1 and zone 2 LED will be in off state. In day mode condition, the panic and temper will be in off state. To change night mode, switch off the system in the help of key. Then place the switch in night mode. Then switch on the system. In this night mode condition, the zone 1 and zone 2 will be in on state. Whereas the zone 1 will take some time delay to get on. And zone 2 will get on immediately. Zone 2 does not have time delay. Wait for 30 seconds to get on zone 1. Now I am going to explain about Active 108 wiring position. This is the AC input session 230 volt 50 Hz, and this is the DC input session 12 volt 7 amps, act as a backup battery and have a polarity positive and negative terminals. Now come to the zone section. This is zone 1 and this is zone 2. Both zones have an individual voltage output continuously range of 12 volt. It has 1 panic and 2 tamper. This is the siren 1 and siren 2. The siren 1 and siren 2 contain 2 individual outputs voltage, ranges up to 12 volts. So, whenever relay changes from NC to NO, that is normally closed, normally open, the output voltage will comes from siren session. It has external relay where we can use external appliances like light, fan, etc. If we want to change the zone sensing seconds, we have to use ZT1 jumper. The default sensing seconds is 30 seconds. If we remove the jumper, the zone will sensing after 60 seconds. If we want to change the siren on time, we have to use STD jumper. The default siren on time is for 15 minutes. If we remove the jumper means the siren will give the sound up to 13 minutes. If we have to give protection for this panel, we have to use door jumper. By removing the jumper, the door tamper will be activated. This panel has external special features like remote operation. So With this we can control the activate and deactivate through remote. This is the installation diagram of Active 108. Now I am going to explain how the sensor has to be connected in entire terminals. This is the input voltage 230 volt 50 Hz, and these are the transformer terminals primary and secondary, which divides the sufficient supply voltage. This is the battery input voltage 12 volts, which act as a backup battery 12 volt 7 amp, having polarity like positive and negative terminals. You can see over here in zone 1 the doors are connected. So whenever the doors open, the zone 1 session will sense the process and gives information to the controller. Then the siren will rise. Same as for zone 2, the door sensor are used to connect here. In case of PIR application, we can use the zone session and the zone output voltage, that is 12 volt. The panic button is connected in panic terminals. For siren 1 and siren 2, we have given a tamper provision. So if anyone cut the tamper, then also the siren will rise. We can connect the GSM dialer. The system is used to gather the information if there is any intrusion occurs in the entire zone process, and the system used to send information through SMS or call. The time set is for changing the seconds for zones and minutes for sirens. ZT1 for zones, sensing in seconds, STD for siren on in minutes. Door tamper is used to protect the panel. This is external special operation called remote access for activating and deactivating purpose.